got to race to get around the ring. Sit back, center, both legs. 3, 2, 1. Sit back. Use your core. Lean away. Tighten your lower leg. It'll give and take with your reins. Whoa, whoa, 3, 2, 1. Slow down a little. Whoop. Whoop. Lean back. Outside leg. 1, 2, 3. Close. Okay, take it out. All the way to the corner. And now outside leg, left leg, left